So the next stage of this room is to use my fabulous sander just there, my Festool sander that's attached to the hoover, so it's pretty much dust free. All the dust goes through those little holes, through the sander and into the dust extractor, the vacuum. So what I'm doing with that is literally very lightly going over the walls, because these old plasterboard walls are really funny. They're very papery, and where I've taken off the wallpaper, it's kind of pulled off bits of this paper and left little jaggedy edges like this. So I'm just lightly sanding over these just to get rid of these fluffy edges, but I'm not excessively sanding because it would end up ripping off even more of this paper. So once I've sanded, like I have on these bits, and all the edges are quite nice and smooth, when the whole room is like that, I will then go back to using my Zinser, my magic Zinser, that will prime and seal all of this, give it a good old drink and make it a nice, smooth, quite slippery surface that I can then fine fill over the front and get a good finish on there. So sand it first, but lightly, give it a good old drink with Zinser to prime and seal it, and then fill it. And then this room will look like really good plasterboard or plastered walls. You'll never know how old and cronky they are underneath. And this wall is even worse. I will lightly sand this one as well, but this one's going to be lined with funny lining paper. Lining paper that's got little fibres in it that binds it all together, so it's a really good solid paper that won't rip. So even if these little cracks try and crack open and rip my paper won't rip. But cheap old lining paper probably would, because it's literally like tearing paper. But mine has got funny fibres in it, binds all the paper together, and it literally cannot rip. It's amazing. Fabulous stuff. I'll show you that in another video. Bye.